Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Les Anderson. He's with the University of Kentucky Extension Beef Specialist there. Glad you're here today, Les.
Glad to be here, Joanna.
So, Les, we were kind of working through all the steps of heifer development, getting her bred, selection, but now is the crucial part. Is she bred?
All of our marketing plans are dictated by whether or not the animal's pregnant. And so as soon as either you're a veterinarian, you can get, because palpation and your confidence in your palpation is very personal. Mm-hmm. I mean, for me, like when I'm palpating cows, 45 days to 120 days, I feel very, very, very comfortable with that. And so that's going to vary by veterinarian. So if your veterinarian is really good at 45 to 60 days, then come in for about 45 days after the end of the breeding season and have them palpate your cows. If you're not able to get that done, we have blood sampling that can be done. UK Diagnostics Lab also will do the pregnancy diagnosis, but then we also have a chute side kits available now, alerts, and I think the other one's prognostic. But anyway, 2 kits, and they're very accurate. They're greater than 95% accurate after 30 days of pregnancy. And once we figure out whether they're pregnant or not, then we can make our plans.
And so what should we do? Okay, so we have some that are pregnant. We have some that are still open. What's the decision there?
Best possible plan is to have your veterinarian check them so that you know who got bred early and who got bred later. We're going to keep everything that's bred in that first week or 2. Mm-hmm. So all of our early, because we synchronized, so everything that got pregnant early, those are the ones we're going to keep. The ones that got pregnant after that first 30 days or the open ones, we're going to figure out how to market. We'll communicate with the extension agent and figure out if there's any bred heifer sales we can get our heifers into. We can make some advertisements to our neighbors because they don't mind if we calve a little bit later. And then for the open heifers, it's a perfect marketing opportunity for a yearling feeder heifer.
But those decisions need to be made. And a lot of times we get emotionally attached. This one's mama was a good mama, right? Yeah. And so might not want to make that decision even if she bred a little bit later than the others.
The market fluctuates, but our input costs always seem to be high. And if you're willing to continue to feed and maintain and manage the heifer, then that's a business decision that's on you. But understand, I mean, if it's $600 a year, I think, to maintain a cow, and she's not producing, I mean, that's $600 you're just giving away. Mm-hmm. For nothing in return. And so if we can get that determination of pregnancy made quickly, then we can get her off the payroll quickly and get some income back. And particularly this year when feeder cattle are so high. I mean, open heifers are going to be worth a lot. Bred heifers are going to be worth even more. Get those decisions made quickly so that you can maximize your opportunity for revenue.
Absolutely, because you might not need to keep that number. You bred them all to see maybe what would happen, and some might move to the top of the stack that maybe you didn't expect to.
Exactly.
And so this is a really good way to make that decision. But there are a lot of other people out there looking for those bred heifers. And so now might be a great marketing opportunity, even if you don't fit into one of those sales, because usually there's protocols with that, and you have to kind of follow all those health protocols and those type of things. But I even think the market for bred heifers without some of those sales are still going to be really high.
Going to be insane this year. I mean, bred heifers this fall and probably all the way up till mid-June next year are going to be incredible. Yeah. And even, open heifers, and I'm not too sure if they're going to go the feeder route, or open heifers now will probably go into a fall calving herd, even though they were spring born. And so fantastic market opportunities as long as you know what the status of that animal is.
Yeah, and then how to manage it.
To manage it.
All right, Les, we'll certainly appreciate the information. And if you have questions, be sure to contact your local extension office and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show and have a great day.